Afternoon, will interview Sir Claro Nuesca. Personal information. Tapos, what age?
My name is Claro B. Nuesca. I am 38 years old. Male and single.
Kind of job.
Coach and same time teacher.
Company employee.
Ferndale International School.
Basic salary.
My basic salary is 8,000 a month, but I have also an incentive worth 3,000.
How much is your bonus?
It depends. Last December, I received, I think 6,000 or 8,000.
Overtime pay.
I don't have overtime pay. My job is 8 o'clock in the morning up to 6 in the evening. Morning academics, then start 3 o'clock to 6 p.m. Coaching basketball.
Incentives.
Incentives, I told you already last year, but my incentive is 3,000 a month, or last December I received 6,000 incentive. Depending on what situation. If last time we have 3 champions, I received 8,000 and 6,000 last December.
Holding tax.
Withholding tax. Withholding tax, I think it's 420 a month. 420 a month. And it is a salary deduction.
Income